The S Empire chill phase has already started. You can go to the mini app now. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you what you can do very quickly to multiply your earning opportunity. Okay, so what you can do very quickly is to go to the quest section. Once you're here, okay, do all the stuffs here. Okay, you will see some stuffs. You wouldn't see this video tax first. Okay, you will see some tax which you would have to do. These ones here, these are the ones you first see. Okay, after doing this, the next thing you should do very quickly is to improve your cards. Okay, and the reason you want to improve your cards is to at least get to level 3 immediately. Why do I want you to do this? Because once you get to level 3, you'll be able to start doing the investments. Okay, for example, if I go to the investments now, I can do today's investments. The first one here is this. I'm gonna click on that. Okay, and claim my earnings. The next one is this one here. Okay, by the way, if you're wondering how I know this, it is posted in my group. Okay, the link to the group is going to be in the description of this video. Okay, if you fancy, just check the link in the description. This is the third one. Okay, you can see I am earning this much points. Okay, I'm gonna click on that, and yeah, so we've done the investments. So you cannot do the investments and get these points if you do not improve your cards up to level 3. Okay, and once you improve your cards up to level 3, and if you go to the quest section, these tags we unlock as usual. You can start doing them. Okay, so let me claim this one, and of course you know how to do these other ones. Okay, I can click on this also to claim it. Now to get the rebels of the day, and if I come back to my group, you can see that the rebels is arbitrage, and the codes for the videos are these. Okay, so I'm gonna just go back. Okay, and the word is arbitrage. I'm gonna click on check answer. It is correct as usual. So this is a quick update. If you do the following, it is gonna enhance your earning opportunity. Okay, and of course don't forget to keep increasing your level by improving your cards. This is it for this video. This is Big Zellbees and this guy Ken signing off for now. Let's go.